Hello and welcome to Interactive CAD and Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you a very quick tutorial on how to take a screenshot using macOS. So the best way to do it is with the keyboard shortcuts. So I've just got a picture, I've just got the web browser open with my YouTube channel. Hit subscribe if you find this video helpful. And the first one is Shift Command 3. So if I press Shift Command 3, it takes a picture of the entire screen, and saves it on your desktop. So if I double click that, as you can see, I've got a picture of my entire desktop. If I wanted to take a snippet of something on my desktop, so for example, my logo here in the top corner, if you'd need to just use Shift Command 4. So if you use Shift Command 4, like I am doing now, you get your cursor turns into this little X with some numbers on it. And if you drag it round and highlight what you'd like to cut and take a screenshot of, it then appears on your desktop as a picture. So they're the two that you need to remember. Shift Command 3 for an entire screenshot, and if you want to take a snippet of a screen, Shift Command 4. I hope you found this little tutorial helpful. If you have, please do just hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.